Alright, dropshipping gang, welcome to day 28 of our challenge where I'm taking an eBay store and scaling it all the way up to making $1,000 to $3,000 in net profit every single month. Guys, now we are currently at 5,855 listings. Let's go ahead and check our orders. I believe we had around 5 orders that came in today. Okay, there it is. So one of them is 17.60, 21.60, 38.60, 17.60, and 17.60. Now, let's go to our performance and have a look at our traffic. In the last 30 days, we had around 6 million impressions, followed by 8,297 listing views. That has converted into 91 sales, minus 10 that came in the next day. So we're currently at 81 sales in total. Our click-through rate in the last 30 days is 0.1%, followed by our sales conversion rate is 1.1%. Let's go and have a look at our impressions. We had around very close to 400,000 impressions. And let's go to our listing views, and we're looking at about a little bit above 1,000 listing views. Let's go to our quantity sold. So we have 5, 4 of them came from promoted, 1 of them came from organic. Okay, so as you guys can see, our sales are increasing when you compare it to the last month or when you compare it for the last 1 week. And the reason why this is happening is because we are listing, we are looking at what items are selling, we keep pruning, recycling, and repeating the same system that works. So that way, we're just going to get the juice out of it without going through any of the hurdles that you would have gone through if you haven't implemented the things that I've told you guys in this video. Now, I'm counting the net profit that I'm taking home from this store on my WhatsApp, and we are currently very close to $600 profit already in net profit. That's after taking out the expenses, after taking out the items that are not in stock, not including any of these. We have already made very close to $600. And guess what? We started this account only 28 days ago. Now, if that doesn't blow you out of the water, I don't know what it does. So if you want to engage with the community and you want to get to know more about dropshipping, make sure to join into our WhatsApp group and ask questions if you have any questions, or you can reach out to me directly. Just to let you guys know, I do have 2 services that are available. One of them is mentorship program, where I take your hand and show you how to execute these one-on-one and show you how the algorithm works and basically do everything together that I would have done for myself, so you can replicate the success. Honestly, from my students, I haven't seen any of them that became unsuccessful so far, and I would highly doubt that you would be unsuccessful if you're the next person that's joining into the mentorship program. The second one is a done for you, where I partner up with you, where we open up eBay accounts under your name and I run the eBay accounts for you. And at the end of the month, whatever the net profit is, we split that 50 by 50. So it doesn't matter which way you go through. At the end of the day, as soon as you join into my WhatsApp group and you reach out to me and inquire about these things, you are going to be 100,000% profitable. And your startup cost for done for you model is literally 0, where I do everything for you. All you need to do is basically be ready when the money is coming in. Now, if you're interested in any of these, or you just want to simply get more information, join into my WhatsApp group, reach out to me. If you have any questions, I can help you from there. All right, guys, without further ado, that is it for today's video. I will see you guys in the next upcoming videos, which is tomorrow. Stay tuned and take care.